Okay, this is problem 16 from chapter 4 of CFIN7. It's present value of an annuity problem. The present value annuity answers the question, how much is a series of equal payments in the future worth today? So the problem asks for the payments at the beginning of the month. I'm also going to do the calculation at the end of the month. So compute the amount Amanda must deposit in an account today so that you pay herself $450 per month for the next 9 years if her opportunity cost rate is 8.4% compounded monthly. How much must Amanda deposit today if she wants to pay herself at the beginning of each month? So, first thing to do is calculate the number of months. So it's 9 years monthly. You use the star key to multiply in Excel. The rate 0.084 divided by 12. Then I'll format that. So I hit the percent key and click here to add a couple of zeros. I'm calculating the PV. My payment is $450, and then my future value is 0. In Excel, it's optional to enter the future value or the present value, depending on some calculations. But equals PV. If you look at this, see the future value right there is in parentheses, means it's optional to enter it. So number of period. This is starting with rates first, the 0.7%, then number of periods. Then comma, that's my payment, is the $450. Use the down arrow to get there because the formula bar is up in the in front of that. So then I'll go ahead and enter future value, just preference. Oh, and the important thing here, so beginning of the period, this type, it's also in parentheses. It means it's optional. So, but if I put a 1 here, that will make the payments at the beginning of the period. And if I return $34,259.49. So what that's an extra period of interest that you would have to pay in order to receive those payments. If we do the end of the month, you just copy this over, and so it's still set for beginning of the month. But I come here and I can do a couple things. I can enter a 0 here. The other thing I can do is I can just delete the 0. And I get the same thing, $34,021.34. So if she wanted to receive the payments at the end of the month, it would cost her less.